have to say, Serbia was not kind to us. We lost one crew to Rtanjske pyramid.
Compass just did 360. Be ready to bail.
Bloody hell. Eyes shut. Kill the lights.
I knew Rtanjske pyramid was full of secrets, but filming moving hieroglyphs of the Kosovo prophecy was the most exciting thing in my whole career.
Rtanjske pyramid log, Serbia 2314.
EMF 1200 microteslas, higher than the Kosovo line.
General Roland, these rocks are arsenic.
The following content is not suitable for photosensitive viewers. Electromagnetic damage to digital devices is possible. You watch at your own risk.
Tonight, join us beneath Serbia's enigmatic Mount Rtanjske, where a mining drill gone wrong has unveiled a long-buried pyramid, igniting radiation alarms, alien whispers, and a quest to redefine the very origins of the Serbian people. Deep inside its newly exposed tunnels, lethal electromagnetic surges mingle with radiation so bizarre, they animate ancient Kosovo prophecy hieroglyphs, glyphs now writhing across stone walls, as our field team races to document the phenomenon on camera. Crucially, the anomaly rides the pixels themselves. Any screen streaming our field footage can relay the distortion, bending depth and space for viewers, and sparking visions that blur the line between hallucination and hidden truth. Watch closely. If you notice any distortion in time, space, especially 3D depth, pause immediately. Viewing can be hazardous. The pyramid's corridors guard archaic Serbian Proto-Cyrillic glyphs, inscribed top to bottom and framed by relief scenes of the Kosovo prophecy. Our geophysicists and archaeoengineers have gone in armed with the frontier of science, superconducting squid magnetometers that capture picotesla flickers in the magnetic field, multi-frequency LiDAR lasers that cut the dust and track every twitch of a glyph in real time, and passive gamma spectrometers that log each stray photon of radiation seeping from the living stone. But the real shock comes when the cameras roll. Under periodic electromagnetic surges, the glyphs refuse to stay still. Lines ripple, characters migrate down the walls, and entire relief panels seem to recompose themselves, as though the very stone were breathing. And that's only the beginning. Our sensors are now registering a host of even more intricate anomalies, phenomena so far beyond today's science that we're forced to reach for the stuff of conspiracy theories, just to frame the questions.
Our phase shift holocam, fusing squid magnetics with tri-band LiDAR, has frozen the energy vortex. Watch these glyphs move and pause if the depth starts to warp.
Come on! Move! Darn it! It's glitching too much. Reality plans are distorted. Kill it!
Sorry about that. Serbian reality plane is leaking when colliding with ours. Please turn around you and see if your room is still the same. Okay, let's give it another go. We had to evacuate that gallery. I'm not sure we can ever stabilize it. The field just phase-linked with what we call the Serbian sphere, so it's literally in two places at once. That's dangerously unstable, and I can't say anything more. We signed NDA. We've already watched giant direwolves step through, and our sensors show even stranger shapes gathering beyond. Some believe this rift first opened eons ago, and that's how the Serbian people crossed from another world to ours. If we can't seal it soon, countless beings like them could follow.
Alright, you need to evacuate ASAP. Follow the corridor back and keep left.
For 30 years, I keep saying, Serbs, the oldest nation. Serbs, the people of heaven. Now, alien evidence arrives, and at last, both my theories are proven. This planet is too insignificant for Serbian people. Serbia do Tokia, they say here. I say Serbia do Alpha Centauria. One day, they will beg us to take them along, and we will laugh. Let Musk haul you in his space sheets. He's from Republika Srpska anyway, if I'm not mistaken. Nanicu vam natosku.
I think it's time for battle. Murad has arrived.
All right, but keep it short. We do not need another situation.
Come on, the viewers need to see it unravel.
Did he just look at us?
Hey, who started it?
It was I.
I have no idea.
We use this now. You need to use this vector modulator.
No, I don't. Okay? You need to
It's
leave
from
premises.
Lomonosov Institute.
All right, I'm gonna try starting it from where we left. Watch for that lunatic. Look, it's Obilich and Murd.
I know we shouldn't, but what the heck?
Ma ajde, nemaju oni pojma. Ovo sam doneo sa instituta Lomonosov. Sad ćemo da im zapržimo čorbu.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What is going on?
We set them free! Leave everything and run.
Let's get out of here.
Tako, sve po planu. K meni, moji sokolovi, imam neka posla za vas.